99. 100. Oh man. What's up, guys? I didn't realize the camera was on me. Anyway, skates are on, gauges are hung, strings pulled tight. We're ready to start bending some metal. Let's rewind this thing and we'll show you how we set this truck up. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm John Keith, former United States Reconnaissance Marine, lifelong collision repair specialist, and this is JM&R Body Works.
I'm a scary gargoyle on a tower that you made with plastic power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away, where the paralytic dreams that we all seem to keep drive on engines till they weep. With future pixels in factories far away. So call the mainland from the beach. Your part is now washed up in bleach. The waves are rising for this time of year, and nobody knows what to do.
The rear of the frame has about a 3.5 inch sway toward the driver's side, and the front shows a 1/2 inch sway also toward the driver's side, but it's also showing a 1.5 inch twist down on the driver's side. All right, man, update you guys a little bit on what we're doing. The frame essentially has a banana in it. It showed on the frame sheet a 1/2 inch sway to the driver's side in the front and a 1.5 inch sway, or I'm sorry, 3.5 inch sway here in the back. So basically the whole frame is just forming a banana. Now the front also was indicating a 1.5 inch twist, which means that the 1/2 inch sway we see on the driver's side, if my gauge is down this way, when I pull a twist out, it's actually going to run the gauge further over. So we're actually looking somewhere closer to about 1.25 inches. We don't pull the twist out first, we pull for sway first. So what you see for the setup was the 25-ton mega post in the back. That's going to pull the frame back over to the passenger side. We have a basically a stop chain or a tension chain right in the middle. That's where our pivot point is, right where it's bent. That's going to stop the frame from bending any further forward. And then we have a tie-down chain in the front. And basically, if you put a pivot point in the middle and you pull the back, the front naturally wants to turn. The truck's just going to turn in circles. So you tie down the front, and that way when you pull the frame out, it bends along the middle point where we got the chain. That's pretty much it. Ready to start bending.
With the heat under sunshine, pylons will meet while rain is falling like rhinestones from the sky.
Right now, after the first pull is released, we got right around 1.25 inches remaining. So we pulled out a little over 2.25 inches off that sway just from the first pull. And then we'll reset our mega post to the front and we'll pull the front sway out. Here's our banana. This part of the banana we have already straightened. Now if you notice, we have moved our chain right here to anchor it, and we will have our other chain here to our cool little mega banana post. Oh, wow, that's actually really good drawn. And tie down to the ground. Our other chain tie down to that ground, and that is a scientific way to fix a frame.
I prayed on the immovable, yet clinging to the atoms of rock. Seasons, the adjustments, signs of change. I can't see now, she said taxi. Now that light is all I can take. This dawn brings strange loyalties and skies.
There's always been something about welding that just makes me feel cool. Maybe it's the helmet flip. I don't know. You tell me.
I'm a scary gargoyle on a tower.
One side down, one side to go.
Made with plastic power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away.
Alright guys, man, that's how we fix frames here at JM&R Body Works. If it looked old school to you, it's because it is. Straight line center gauges, tape measure, and a tight string. That's how you got to do it on these big trucks. Now this truck runs and drives, but I'm going to pull it instead because it's cooler. Thanks for watching.
Helicopters fly over the beach, same time every day, same routine. A clear target in summer, and skies are blue. It's part of the noise when winter comes, it reverberates in my lungs.
Help me! You belly crawl. Just like back in my Marine days. If it looks rudimentary to you, if it looks a little rudimentary, man. Oh. But when a tractor, make that noise. When a tractor's 13 and a half feet, when a tractor's 13 and a half feet tall, there's always been something about welding that just, oh no, I'm talking about camera. I'm trying to refilm the intro. Because I didn't like the first one, but I already welded, so now I'm trying to refilm it without showing the welds.